Inside our sign-up form, you can specify predefined headings. These are used to easily identify sections or introduce our newsletter sign-up form. So here we've got one that says subscribe to our newsletter. We can see this is our main heading. If we mouse over it and click on the edit button, we can see here this is set to a heading 1. Your newsletter sign-up form can have up to 4 types of predefined headings. Let's find out how we can customize the look and feel of this. If we hop over to the Styles menu, we see here we've got our heading sections, heading 1, 2, 3 and 4. So if we go into our heading 1, we can start customizing how this heading will look. This is perfect if you wish to use this heading again and again. You don't have to set up how it looks and the styling each time. You can set it once here and the software will remember it. So we can see at the moment it's set to Arial and is a dark blue and it's 25 pixels. So you can play about with these settings as much as you want to change the look and feel of it. So for example, we may wish to do a simple amendment such as just making it bold. We can click this here. We can see our heading has now gone bold. So you can customize these as much as you want and the software will remember them for when you use them on your newsletter subscribe form.